Then we have stating that we have no other alternative and efficacious remedy and speediest remedy except to approve this honorable court, invoke the jurisdiction of the honorable court to issue a suitable direction to the respondent. At least the result has to be published. In case the result is in favor of the petitioner, then he may be permitted to attend the class. So that's what we are saying. We are also stated that there is no other petition has been filed before any other court for the same relief before any other forum. Okay, we have to state that. Then we will come to the prayer column. For the reason stated above, it is therefore prayed that this honorable court may be pleased to issue a writ of mandamus or any other appropriate writ. So we are using the word any other appropriate writ here is we are seeking for a mandamus. Okay, it could be of any other writ if the court deems it's appropriate. Okay, writ of mandamus illa if the court want to issue a writ of certified mandamus or continuing mandamus. Okay, that's what we are giving the gap. Certified mandamus we have to specifically ask, but in case of continuing mandamus, okay, the court itself can grant order for continuing mandamus. You all know with respect to environmental pollution, the court is not only issuing direction. Okay, they are continuously monitoring it. In such situation, the court grant continuing mandamus. Okay, so we are asking for the appropriate writ which is required to that case. Here in this case, we need to have a simple mandamus, but this kind of prayer will give the liberty to the court to issue a continuing mandamus also, or order or directive of like nature, directing the respondent hearing to declare the results of viva voce held on so and so date by and on behalf of the respondent. Okay, and admit the petitioner to course at so and so place. Okay, so this is our prayer. And the last part to pass such other orders. This in the part of we are asking it commonly. Where are the orders? Actually, we are asking for an exact prayer, but still we need some other prayer at the course of time. So course of time where the prayer okay, so we are also asking for a general prayer to pass such other and further orders or other orders as it may deem it fit and proper in the facts and circumstances of the case. In the case of where the order or correct order we are pleading to the court. Okay, so then we having the verification solemnly affirmed and so on so place. We are used, as I said earlier, though the petitioner is from Velur, he is sworning affidavit in Chennai. Okay, so that's what we are using the word advocate Chennai. Okay, so this is the affidavit. Then we having the writ petition. So writ petition writ petition under so and so all memorandum of writ petition under Article 220 of Constitution of India. So first here is the writ petition. Sometimes we use the word writ petition, or we can use the word memorandum of writ petition under Article 226 of Indian Constitution. Yeah. Then we having the cost title and all. So the same cost title what we used in the affidavit. Then we come to the writ petition. So writ petition we have to first initially state the address for service. As is we seen it client la address for service writ petition we have to give the address for service. Okay, next one, address with respect to respondent already we are stating. Okay, then come to the prayer column. So here we are stating that for the reason stated in the accompanying affidavit. Okay, so in the affidavit prayer you can copy and paste it here. Proper draft then writ petition in the part you can copy and paste it. ரெண்டு இடத்துலயுமே prayer ஒரே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கணும். ஓகே, நீங்கள் டைப் பண்ணுறேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீங்கள் மாற்றி பண்ணிடணும். அதனால தான் ஒரு இடத்துல ப்ரேயர் ப்ராப்பராக டிராஃப்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதே ப்ரேயரை காப்பி பண்ணி நீங்கள் இங்கே பேஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இட் இஸ் தேர் ஃபோர் ப்ரேட் அது வரைக்கும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அது யூ கேன் டேக் இட் ஃப்ரம் த அஃபிடவிட். இங்கே பாருங்கள் ஃபாதர் ரீசன் ஸ்டேட் அபவ். ஓகே, இட் இஸ் தேர் ஃபோர் ப்ரேட். ஸோ இந்த இட் இஸ் தேர் ஃபோர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அதுலேருந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட் வில் பி காமன் டு த ரிட் பெட்டிஷன் ப்ரேயர் ஆஸ் வெல் அஸ் அஃபிடவிட் ப்ரேயர். The prayer in both writ petition as well as an affidavit to be same, one and the same. Okay, then we have to give the date at so and so place. Then we have the here in the generally petition will be signed by the council. The affidavit will be signed by the party. Okay, each and every page has to be signed. Affidavit then actually in the affidavit affidavit as well as petition we have to mention the page number in the foot column we have to mention what's the page number, what's the number of corrections, because though we are preparing it at the time of numbering there may be any corrections to be made as instructed by the registry. Registry they have some corrections we have to also carried out. Okay, in such case we have to mention what are the number of corrections and we have to countersign any corrections in the affidavit. Okay, it is all things. Then these are the list of document which has to be filed. Okay, this is the typeset. So that's a typeset. To typeset we use this is the index. So where we are having the what are the number, date, description of document, what are the page number which are enclosed. இதை பற்றி காஸ்ட் ஷீட் ஷார்ட்டாக போட்டால் போதும். we need not having a long cost sheet கொடுக்கணும் அவசியம் இல்லை. then page number எல்லாமே we are stating that. then in the last part of the typeset we have to mention that these documents which are